Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to my channel and thank you so very much for joining me on my crafty adventure. I just received a new design team package from ASC Craft Supplies, and they included two beautiful Mintay collections, Her Story and Nana's Kitchen. Now, both of these collections have a variety of elements and I can't wait to show them to you. Before I get started, I wanted to let you know that both of these collections are available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them on the web or their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. The first collection we're going to review is Her Story. So let's get started. This is the Her Story collection by Mintay. Included is the 12x12, the 6x8 add-on paper pack, the 6x6, the paper elements, as well as the paper die cuts. This is the 12x12 paper, and I just love it. I love the muted colors. You've got these soft blues and pinks and mauves. On the back of the cover, you have an element sheet. Now these are fairly large pieces that you can easily fussy cut. Next, we have this beautiful image. I love this. In the back, you can see ever so slightly these window panes. On the top here, you've got beautiful mirrors and teacups, and I love these beautiful floral sprays. On the right, we have beautiful curtains flanking the window, a dress form, and more mirrors and books. This is the back side, and you have a muted light mauve pattern. This is the next page, and in the back you have these very light muted pink shutters, which are flanked by these very delicate lace curtains. There you have another beautiful mirror and these flowers. This is beautiful. This is the back page, which is flanked by these beautiful paned windows. Next, we have another background with paned windows, more of these beautiful lace curtains and these beautiful collages on the top and the lower left side. This is the back. Oh, this is so pretty. You've got a muted pink background in these beautiful frames. Next, we have an all-over pattern of books and journals. And on the back of this is similar to this page here. However, it's in a beautiful muted blue. The next page has this all-over floral design. You've got deep mauves and greens and light pinks. And on the back, you have an all-over printed image of these beautiful lace curtains. It's so delicate. And last but not least, you have these beautiful cutouts. I love these frames, the dress form. You've got a fun record player here, the journals, and these beautiful mirrors. And on the back, you have these wonderful prints that are prevalent throughout the paper collection. The next paper pads we have are the 6x8 add-on paper pack, as well as the 6x6. Let's take a look at the 6x8 paper first. So this is the back, and each of these pages are beautiful double-sided papers. You've got these beautiful florals, more cutouts. Now this paper includes designs that are not featured in the 12x12. We've got this beautiful harlequin and a striped pink there. And the great thing is you get several copies of these papers, so you can cut out and do a collage if you like, or these would be perfect for card fronts. The 6x6 is the exact same as the 12x12, however the images are on a much smaller scale. So let's take a quick flick through. These are the individual cut aparts. Next, we have the paper elements as well as the paper die cuts. There are 60 individual pieces in the paper die cuts. Let's take a look at this first. As you can see in this package, there are tons of intricate pieces. I'm not going to take them out. However, I did want to show you this sheet. Again, this is the paper die cuts. There are 60 pieces, and you can see all of the wonderful images. Each of these pieces are featured in the paper collection that I just showed you. Next, we have the paper elements. There are 27 pieces in total. Included are a variety of different pockets and envelopes, and they're all different sizes. The score lines are already included, so all you have to do is fold along the tabs. We have smaller pockets. We have a variety of tags, different patterns and sizes. We have several different tickets. We have these scalloped circles and a regular circle. And then we have smaller scallops. And then last but not least, we have these two small circles. This concludes the review of Her Story collection by Mintay. Let's take a look at Nana's Kitchen. This is the Mintay Nana's Kitchen collection. Included is the 12 by 12, the 6 by 8 add-on paper pack, the 6 by 6, the paper elements, as well as the die cut pieces. We're going to look at the 12 by 12 paper first. This is the beautiful 12 by 12 paper, and I just love the vintage colors and the china and the silverware. This is a really fun collection. On the back of the cover, we have these beautiful die cut elements. They are quite large and easy to fussy cut. You've got the utensils, this beautiful china. This is the first page, and I love the kitchen theme. We've got this large window. I love the wainscoting here, this large dome, and this beautiful pantry, and the beautiful hints of green in the background. This is the back. You've got this beautiful plaid. You have green and hints of tan. I love this page. You have the beautiful cream brick wall in the background, and you have what looks like curtains here and a spice rack on the top and a beautiful pantry on the right. Speaking of recipes, you've got these wonderful recipes on the back. You've got cheesecake, chop suey cake, lemon eclairs, Yorkshire pudding. These are wonderful. This is the next page, and you've got the stove and the cabinets, and look at this beautiful china here on the top. And I love the large floral elements that flank the page. This is the back. You have an all-over print of beautiful silverware, and look at how detailed the silverware is on the bottom. This next page has all over china, and I love the details on them. This is the back. You've got a variety of different papers. You've got a grid, and you've got a lined paper. This is perfect for writing recipes on. You have this all over floral pattern that's flanked against this beautiful green background. You've got hints of pinks and creams and tans. This is the back page. You've got a light muted green with these beautiful delicate flowers. Last but not least, you have the cut apart page, and you have several different images that are featured in the paper collection. You've got this beautiful hutch here and here, the stove, the pitcher, china plates, this beautiful domed window, and this is the back. Next, we have the 6x8 add-on paper pack and the 6x6 paper. Let's take a quick look at the 6x6 paper now. These are the same images that I showed you in the 12x12. They're just on a much smaller scale. The 6x8 collection has some unique patterns that are not featured in the 6x6 or the 12x12. Let's take a look at that. We've got this beautiful wood grain in a green. You've got these beautiful doors and shutters. So this is double-sided. I love the beautiful floral print. This is beautiful. These are all pieces that can be fussy cut. These are beautiful. This is perfect for making cards. Next, we have the paper elements and the die cut pieces. There are 60 die cut pieces, and as you can see, there are quite a few pieces here. Let me give you a closer look on the back. Again, these are all pieces that are featured in the paper collection. And next we have the paper elements. I'm going to take this out and give you a closer look. Included in the paper elements, you have a variety of pockets and different designs. Everything is double-sided, so this is a recipe sheet. You've got this beautiful floral pattern, the plaid, and the utensils. And again, the score lines are already included, so all you have to do is fold along the tabs and glue. You've got smaller pockets. We also have these adorable tickets, and they are in a variety of different designs. These are also double-sided. You have a variety of different shaped tags. These are the two smaller ones. And then you have a number of larger tags. You have this beautiful plate-shaped design and then two smaller circles. And then you have a variety of these scallop shapes. So you have the larger scallops and you have the smaller scallops. This concludes my review of the beautiful Mintay collections, Her Story and Nana's Kitchen. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. I can't wait to start using them on some fun projects. Please be sure to return to my channel to see what I've created. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.